Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 54CV Fishfinder Review. Real sonar clarity that changes your fishing. You mark a spot, come back 3 days later, and spend 20 minutes drifting around trying to find it again. Your buddy catches 5 fish while you're still squinting at your phone trying to figure out if you're even close. Type yes if you've ever circled the same area wondering where the structure went. How much longer will you fish blind? That drowning feeling when everyone around you is hooking up and you're just guessing where to cast. You're wasting hours burning fuel, second-guessing every decision because you can't see what's actually down there. Your confidence fades with every empty drift. But what if control was actually simple? What if one upgrade let you see what locals see? Stay here. Then I plugged in the Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 54CV chart plotter Fishfinder, and everything got stupidly quiet. Not silent, focused. Here are 6 superpowers hiding in plain sight. First, clear view scanning sonar shows you underwater structure like a photograph, individual brush piles, rock edges, even fish holding tight to cover. Second, chirp traditional sonar gives you crystal clear separation between bottom, bait, and game fish in the same column. Third, preloaded Blue Chart G3 coastal maps with Navionics data hand you local knowledge without paying guide rates. Fourth, Quick Draw Contours lets you build custom depth maps of your secret spots in real time as you idle over them. Fifth, Wi-Fi connectivity syncs waypoints between your phone and unit instantly. No more typing coordinates by hand. Sixth, the keyed display works flawlessly even with wet gloves at dawn. Picture this: early morning, heavy fog. I'm running a narrow channel I've never fished. The 54CV showed me the drop-off, the oyster bar, and 3 fish stacked on the edge before my first cast. Bonus nobody mentions: vivid color palettes make thermoclines and bottom hardness changes obvious at a glance. Let me stack proof until doubt leaves the boat. Time saved because you stop circling and start fishing the second you arrive. Clarity gained because you finally see bait, structure, and predators in the same frame. Confidence doubled because your casts land on targets you can actually see. Results that make your fishing partners ask what changed in your setup. A leading marine electronics publication stated the clear view imaging on the 54CV is exceptional for the price, making submerged trees and bait balls easy to identify. A prominent fishing gear analyst called the Active Captain app integration a game changer for weekend anglers. One kayak angler wrote, quote, "It completely transformed my fishing. I can see individual limbs on brush piles and drop my bait right in the sweet spot," end quote. A coastal guide confirmed the chart detail for navigating bays and inlets is exceptional, and the buttons work every time, even when wet. Which benefit hit hardest? Comment 1 for mapping, 2 for sonar clarity, 3 for quick draw. The biggest pushback? It's a 5-inch screen, not 9 inches. The counter? You wanted portable, reliable, and affordable, not a second mortgage. This is the question I get daily. Will it actually show me fish? Drop your current setup below. The Garmin ECHOMAP UHD2 54CV chart plotter Fishfinder with U.S. coastal maps delivers one thing your current setup can't: the ability to see what's happening underwater with the same clarity the pros rely on every single trip. Join the anglers who quietly upgraded and started out-fishing everyone without saying a word until someone asked. First link in description. I pinned it because I'm not letting you scroll past clarity and keep fishing blind. Your next trip already knows what it needs.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.